Hi, everybody. I put together a few topics to give you some summer savings tips. My first tip is you can go see new release movies for $5 on Tuesdays. If you go to an AMC theater or a Marcus theater and you join their uh, their loyalty clubs, which are both free to join, you can see new release movies on Tuesdays for $5. At the AMC theaters, if you join their Stubs program, which is free to join, you can see the movie for $5, and they also have a popcorn and drink package you can get for $5. So all of your entertainment would be covered for that $10 per person. At Marcus theaters, they also have $5 movies on Tuesdays. They have different discounts you can get on refreshments, on drinks and popcorn. Their rewards program is called the Magical Movie Rewards Program, which is also free to join. Both programs also have apps you can download to your phone, and that way you'll have your rewards account information with you handy when you go to the theater.